Hello, I'm Dr. Joyce Payne, and I'm in Hyattsville, Maryland. I'm doing this video for Mega Kitchen because I was so absolutely awed by the work they have performed in this renovation. Actually, this is the second opportunity we've had to work with Mega. My daughter also had her house renovated, and it was much more extravagant than mine, but they did an excellent job, and I was so impressed with the work they did. As you can see, this is an extraordinarily beautiful kitchen with all of the most latest and unique appliances that were recommended by the contractor. The cabinets are self-closing, and it's just an easy place to make a meal. The marble, as you can see, the marble is just fabulous, beautiful. It's from Brazil, and the work was done on time and at a rather reasonable price, and so I think that's very important. And even though it's Mega Kitchen, they've also renovated my living room, my basement, and my bedrooms. So I am just ecstatic about the quality of the work and the seamlessness of it. I highly recommend Mega Kitchen. So the next time I buy a house, Mega Kitchen will be on my list for sure.